How's it going, Phone Lab? It's Root Junkie here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset some Amazon devices. Specifically, this is the Fire 5th Gen 7-inch tablet. So on this one, it's really simple. Power off the device, and you're going to hold down volume and power until it boots into recovery. It's pretty much that simple. Really easy to do. Just remember that Amazon products, even though they have a heavy skin on them, are still really basically stock Android. And it looks like I didn't let go of my fingers quick enough on that one. So let's let it try again here. Let it boot up. And I'm actually going to let go, I think, at this point right here. And see if I can just hold down the volume down button, and hopefully it'll get in. So there you go. So now we're in here. Just go ahead and scroll down, wipe data factory reset, delete all user data. And that's it. At the bottom you can see it's wiping data factory reset, and hit reboot system now. Okay, so this one's done. That was cake. Let's go ahead and do another one here. This is the 6-inch Kindle Fire HD, and this one's a little different. So instead of volume down, you're going to go volume up, hold power, again from a powered off state obviously, and again you can let go power here, just keep holding volume up, and it should boot into recovery. Alright, so scroll with the volume buttons, wipe data factory reset, delete all user data. Once it finishes down here at the bottom, we will have wipe data factory reset to devices. Now, why is this so important to know? Basically, if your device is stuck in a boot loop, or if you flash stock firmware with ADB sideload like we just did, you need to know how to get in here, because ADB sideloading does not wipe data factory reset the device. It only refreshes the system and updates the system. So you may have to do this as well if you're still stuck in a boot loop after doing an ADB sideload. So just want to make sure that you're aware of it. The other thing that's very helpful about knowing how to get into recovery on all of these devices is the fact that since you know how to get into recovery, you also should be able to get into bootloader mode, because almost always the reboot to bootloader is an option here in stock recovery. It definitely was on the last device we just factory reset, and it definitely is on this reboot to bootloader. So I'm actually going to show you that. And bootloader on this device, let's see, reboot to bootloader. I don't know, I think it might say fast boot at the bottom. Not really sure if it does or not, but just be aware. Yep, there it is, fast boot. And then you can always get out of bootloader mode by holding volume down and power. Basically, volume down and power is like the reset of every Android device I've ever seen. If you hold them long enough, it pretty much will take it out of any mode. So it's a good tip to know that volume down power pretty much will get you out of all your jams. So there you go, that's done. And since we wiped data factory reset, we're good on this one. It should be, go ahead and reboot. You may have to power it up, it may not power up. This one you can see is still doing the stupid optimizing system storage, but they're both done. We have fully factory reset both of the devices, and they should be good to go. They're going to go through optimizing, and then you can start them off fresh, just like a brand new device. So that's going to wrap it up here for this little video here, guys, on resetting these Amazon devices and stock recovery. Catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.